Let me look it up because I'm honestly not sure. I'm about to fall over. Well, hello there, cool cats and kittens. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, RaShon. So today's video is brought to you by OmgHerHair. They were kind of sending me another unit to review for you guys. So for today's video, I will be doing a TikTok look. This is a look that I saw all over TikTok. Another YouTuber by the name of Chuchi Train actually did it as well. And it is like that flipped up, old school 70s Farrah Fawcett type of hair. Like I said, I saw it on TikTok first, and then I saw her video for it, and it looked really, really cute. So I wanted to try it for myself and see how she was gonna look on me. I mean, can I pull it off? Can I pull it off? We're gonna find out. Hold on. I got that white stuff around my lips. Let's get that off of there. So before we get into the install, the styling, and the specs of this unit, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go.
I had been crying for weeks. How'd I survive when I could barely speak, barely eat on my knees? But that's the moment you came to me. I don't know what your love has done to me. Think I'm invincible. I see through the me I used to be. You changed my whole life. Don't know what you're doing to me with your love. I'm feeling all superhuman. You did that to me. Superhuman heartbeat in me. Nothing can stop me here with you. Strong, since I've been playing and righting the wrongs. Feels almost like I had it all along. I can see the tomorrow, where every problem is gone because I flow everywhere with love inside of me. It's unbelievable to see how love can set me free. Changed my whole life. Don't know what you.
Okay, so let's bring our mirror on over like this. So like I said, this unit comes to us from OmgHerHair. It is their elegant loose wave wig. It comes in a natural color, and the starting price for this unit is $129. Now, as always, depending on the specs you get for your unit, the price can go up. This unit does come in 12 to 20 inches, 130, 150, or 180% density, a small, medium, or large size cap. You also have the option of how much you want the unit bleached. You can either have the first 2 inches of the unit or the full lace frontal of the unit bleached. I believe this is a 13x6 lace parting area, if I'm not mistaken. If I'm wrong though, you guys know I'll put the the exact measurement down below in the description box, and you can also choose to add your elastic band. So with all that being said, I got the 14 inches and 180% density, and my unit with all my specs together is $179. Okay, so under $200, I'm not mad at that. I did go in and wash and condition my hair, and then I blow dried her. I did not pluck my hairline at all. This is how the hairline was sitting when I took her out the pack, and I just left her like that because the style that I'm using, I don't really need a hairline for. I don't think. We're gonna find out though. We're gonna find out how she's sitting. I need a little bit more product on my sponge. Let me do that real quick. Hold on, just a little bit. Had to use a little bit of my foundation on my sponge. Today I used my sponge to do my makeup, so I gotta make sure my hairline is right. Now, like I said, it comes in a small, medium, or large size cap. I'm pretty sure they sent me a medium cap because the large cap does take a couple more days to get together or whatever. So normally with the medium caps, they do not fit all the way onto my sides here. They stop real short on the sides, okay? So be mindful of that. So if you have a big head like me and you don't have time to wait, go ahead and get that medium size cap. Okay, I'm able to work it for me, but the large cap would do me more justice if I was a little bit more patient. Okay, there we go with the hairline together. Now, if I'm not mistaken, I'm just curling the hair like forward or whatever. The unit is a loose wave. Some of this hair still has like a wave to it, so I'm gonna have to try to straighten that. But I'm pretty sure, ooh, that caught my naps. That caught my naps in the back. Oh, that hurt. So I'm thinking you're supposed to just curl it. Let me look it up because I'm honestly not sure. Where's she at? So you use a flat iron to curl the hair. It's already pretty layered. It is a little short up in here. Okay, so I got my razor comb here, and I think I'm supposed to use this side. I'm gonna chop some of that hair off like that. I'm gonna razor some of that hair out like that. And then I'm gonna take my scissors And it's gonna cut some layers like that on both sides. I razor some of the density out, and then I'm gonna cut some of the layers like that. Now when I did go in and wash and condition the hair, I did have some shedding with it when I did the blow drying, and then when I did the install I had some shedding as well, so just be mindful of that. Okay, so let me go ahead and do one side first, and then I'm gonna come back and do the other side with y'all. Okay, so I'm back already, y'all. This is my good side, so I wanted to show you guys my good side. So all I'm using is my, I think this is like a 1-inch curling iron or 1-inch flat iron, and I'm just curling it like she did, and then letting it sit, and then bringing it out like that. Oh, I bent it too much. So you're curling it like a flip. Who you want? Flip, flip, curl it like this. Can y'all see me? Ah, don't wanna burn my hands. Ooh, my light flashed before my eyes. Curling, curling, curling. Ooh, that's hot, that's hot. Ah, dang it. What am I doing? Let's hold it right here. Let's hold it right here. Okay, I'm assuming you curl the middle like that as well. Come on, stay in there, stay in there. Get your raggedy ass in there. Get off, okay? Like that, I think. Okay, let's do this side, Okay, so this is how we sitting. So then she took a brush and she brushed it like this. I feel like I'm cheating, but this one is not folding the way I feel like it should be. But I'm trying to get it right. Did she use a bristle brush? Where's my bristle brush? Feel like cousin it in this joint. No, I can't see. And then she had to stand up, flip her hair back and forth. I don't know, I feel like I'm about to hurt myself. Let's see. Ah, I'm about to fall over. Oh, goodness gracious. Oh. Oh. Wait a minute. Wait one day. Y'all. Wait a minute. Let me put my mic back on. Wait a minute. Did I just do something? Excuse me. Come on, body. What the hell? Let me tell you right now, I'm not mad. I'm not mad at her. Change up my earrings real quick. It's not exactly like hers, but the look that I'm giving right now, I'm not mad at her. Just a touch of sealer. Okay, right here in the middle. Y'all, it's giving me body. It's giving me body without even trying. I didn't do a whole bunch of curls or nothing. Why have I not been doing this? Look at that. Look, wow! Y'all see that? Okay, so what are we thinking? Will y'all try this on your hair, on your wigs or whatever? Okay, it's pretty nice. But anyway, y'all, the hair is really soft. It took the curls really well, as you can see. So in the meantime, in between time, shout out one more time to OmgHerHair for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link for my unit as well as my specs down below. So if you guys want to try out the unit, this style, or some other styles, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.